Yeah, hello friends. Welcome to Root Code Academy. Here, today we are discussing about whether the given number is a prime number or not. It is a very simple logic and very easy program, and it will be asked in any interview purpose. This logic will be very important. Okay, friends. Here we are discussing. Okay, the prime number. Actually, what is prime number? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 whose only factors are 1 and itself. That is called the prime number, friends. And we are discuss some more about the prime number. Here we take some examples of prime number like 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers. Here we take some examples like we take example like 13. Okay friends, 13. Here 13 have only factors, only what factors have 13 only? It have only two factors, that are 1 and 13. If we take any number like 15, if you take 15, it has how many factors? 4 factors are there. It has like 1 is a factor of 15, and next 3 is a factor of 15. Next you have to think 1, 3, and tell me friends, 5 is a factor and itself 15 is a factor. Okay, yeah. The prime number logic will contain only two factors. That time it will be prime number. Like we take example 2, 3, 5, 13, 15. 15 is not a prime number. You have to show example here. Yeah. Now we can go to the logic of the program. Okay, I am creating a new project in Visual Studio 2019. Here I am taking some console application. Yeah, taking some console application. My project name is prime logic, prime number logic. I'm taking the project name as prime number logic. Okay, my project is loading, and today we are executing the prime number logic in Visual Studio. It's a very important program for the interview purpose, for all the students who are preparing for the interviews for software. This program will be asked number of times in any company. Okay friends, we are discussing today the prime number logic. Okay, yeah, we will take inputs from the user only. That time user enter any value from the numbers. That time we will take console dot, we'll take some right line from user, enter any number from user. Okay, I will take some int data type, int n equal to some console dot read line from input from the reader. Okay, here we are getting some error. What is that error? Here error represents cannot implicitly convert type string to int. Okay, that time we will use some int dot parse. That time error will be okay. This is a from we have to convert any number from string into int. We have to use int dot parse. Okay friends, yeah. Next I'm taking some index value. I will take some index like int data type index equals to, I'm taking 1, and I'm declaring some count variable, count equal to 0, Yeah. Index index equal to 1 and comma equal to count equal to 0. Yeah. Next I'm writing some, you have to take any loop, but I'm taking the while loop only. Yeah. IDX, this is easy for all, and IDX less than or equal to from number n, user input n. Okay. Here the main very simple logic is we have to write any if condition within the while loop. We have to write any n number of if conditions. Is the main important thing in the Visual Studio or any programming language. Yeah. Next I'm taking some if condition. If condition from my n number is a percentile with some IDX value equal to 0. If this condition is satisfied, my count will be increased. I'm increasing my count, and then I'm increasing my index value. Okay, this is the simple logic for the prime number. This logic will be asked in any interview purpose. Okay, if user enter any number, it will prime or not a prime number. That will be user want to show. That time we will give some user friendly information to the user. We will take some if condition. If my count equal to some 2, that time I will take console dot write line, my given given number is like prime number. Yeah. Or else if the condition is not satisfied, else console dot write line. Yeah, given number is not a prime number. Yeah friends, user will enter any value. That time we will show the given number is prime or not a prime number. Yeah, we are checking the some user enter any some number in the application. That time we will display the given number, the user enter number is prime or not. Okay. If we are taking some examples here. Yeah, examples of prime number like 2 has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 2. 3 has only 2 factors, that is 1 and 3. Yeah, these examples, if right or wrong, you check in this program. Okay, enter any number. If you enter some value 2, given number is prime number, it will showing the given number is prime number. Okay, and we are checking another number like 11. We want to check the 11. Okay, yeah, enter any number 11 is a prime number. Okay, if you want to check another number, then we have to check the like 15. We have to check 15. Yeah, previously we are discussing the 15 is not a prime number. Given number is not a prime number. It will showing like this. Okay, yeah, my code is correct. That's why it's showing the 15 is not a prime number. We have to take some 7 we have to take the prime number. Okay, this is the prime number. This is the main condition. Yeah, this code is very useful for any interview purpose. Yeah, this is my logic. Okay friends, yeah, please if you like this code, like and share and subscribe my channel. Okay friends.